Hello, in this video, I will be showing you how to record your Zoom meeting. So this is a very easy tutorial. All you have to do is to launch your Zoom application. Now to start, you have to click this gear icon here, or shall we say settings. Tap this one. Now you have to look for recording. Okay, click this one. Now, as you can see, we have options here. So first, we have here local recording, store my recording at. Okay, you can save this or store this to your desktop or any folders on your device. Also, make sure that you tap this record video during screen sharing and also place video next to the shared screen in the recording. These two are very important, so make sure that you check this one. So once you're finished everything here, you can tap X or you can exit this one. Okay, so to start how to record your Zoom meeting, first you have to tap new meeting and then make sure that you click this join with computer audio. And then below here, you can see options like mute, stop video, security, participants, chat. Always make sure that you tap this record here that is beside share screen. So actually, you can also pause and play your record or recording. And while doing that, you can also do other things. For example, you can tap this share screen if you want. So when you are recording your meeting, you can also do other options here. For example, share screen, you can let people know or see what you're doing at this very moment. For example, you want to present something, okay? So you can just do everything here, and that is, or everything here is recorded, okay? And then aside from that, you can also change your background if you want, but everything here is recorded. So that's how good Zoom meeting is. And then once you're done with this, you can just, go back to your meeting and then you can pause and play again. You can even chat. The good thing about this is after you record your meeting, you can review this one and recheck what happened during your Zoom meeting. So also you can tap this mute, you can tap this stop video, okay? And then once you're done, you can just simply click this one to stop recording and you can also end the call. Now, if you wonder where you can see this file, then actually you just have to tap this one up here. Then it will take you directly to another site, which you can see this one, convert meeting recording. Okay, so you just have to wait for this as it is processing. Once done, you can simply look and review the output or the result of your recording. Okay, so once done, just locate the file and then tap the video, and this is the result. So I do really hope that this video helped you, and that's how easy it is to record your Zoom meeting. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next videos.